Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into the world of product management with Monday.com. Specifically, we'll be learning how to manage product launch checklists the smart and efficient way. First things first, you'll want to set up your board. This is your main interface for managing tasks and will be the backbone of your product launch. Now, the reason we do this is because a well-organized board gives you a clear overview of all tasks and deadlines. Once your board is set up, it's time to create groups. You can group tasks based on their stage in the product launch process, such as ideation, development, testing, and launch. This helps us because it allows you to easily track the progress of different stages of the product launch. Now that we've done that, let's dive into the heart of the process, creating tasks. Each task represents a specific action required for your product launch. Be sure to add as much detail as possible to each task, including the assignee, due date, and status. The reason we do this is to ensure every task has a clear owner and timeline, which helps prevent tasks from falling through the cracks. Next up, we have dependencies. These are tasks that rely on the completion of another task. In Monday.com, you can easily set up dependencies by linking tasks together. This is crucial because it helps to visualize the flow of work and ensure tasks are completed in the right order. Now, let me explain why this matters. When managing a product launch, it's easy to lose track of tasks or miss important deadlines. But by using Monday.com's checklists, you can keep track of all tasks, ensure everything is completed on time, and visualize the progress of your product launch. Finally, it's time to monitor your progress. Monday.com provides a variety of views such as timeline, calendar, and workload, which allows you to easily keep track of your product's journey from ideation to launch. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to managing product launch checklists in Monday.com. Remember, the key to a successful product launch is organization and clear communication, and that's exactly what Monday.com provides. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.